Okay, I'm going to give you a tour of the lifts at Westfield Penrith. It's been a long time coming, this one. So firstly to these, this set of EPL cones. Which had since been modernised, but
ground level. Maintenance level. Level 1.
I'll make it stop every floor so that you guys can hear the voice lines.
Level 2.
Can't make it stop all due to copyright reasons.
Level 3.
Okay. Now, yeah, as you heard, it has the mechanical chime, but we'll just let it go. So there it goes, and now onto the next lift. Now to the lifts in Maya, which are EPL cones with original indicators. But this time they have the same lanterns as the other lifts I showed you, but with electronic chimes rather than mechanical ones. Which floor? I'll just... That's the indicator. Yeah. So you see that? Let's just go back up. So that I can show you the other lanterns. Okay, now back down to 1, where I can show you the intermediate lantern. Okay. See? Alright, I think I better stop it there. Now to the lift that provides access to the cinemas, which is a Kone mono space. I think it might be an R7. I don't recall. Well, spoke that time. Doesn't say. Well, I don't think it. it's only basement that it actually says. Let's play the chimes once again. I think I better stop it there. Yeah, let's stop it now. Now to the food court lift, which is the same as the last lift you just saw. This one does not speak at all. So, I think it's much, it's got the same fixtures as the other lift, so I think I would just stop it here. And finally to the office suites lift. Luckily this lift isn't as busy today since it's a public holiday.
Level 3. Going down. Level 2. Going down. Level 1. Going down.
I'm not sure if you guys can see this.
Ground floor. Going down. Basement. Going up. Ground floor.
Tried to block out the music playing due to copyright reasons. So this is the last lift on this tour. So there it goes, and that's it.